Hello children, how are you? Hope you are keeping good today. So today we are going to learn alphabet and its words. Okay. So let's learn alphabet and its words. All of you look at the board. In the last class we learned letter A to letter F, and today we are going to revise letter G to letter M. Okay children, so all of you repeat after me. Capital letter G, small letter G. What's the sound of letter G? Yes, the sound of letter G is G. And our next letter, which is letter H. Letter H has capital letter H and small letter h. Repeat after me. Capital letter H, small letter h. And what's the sound of letter H? The sound of letter H is H. And our next letter, which is letter I. Letter I has capital letter I and small letter I. Repeat after me. Capital letter I, small letter I. And moving to the next letter, which is a letter J. Letter J has capital letter J and small letter j. Repeat after me. Capital letter J, small letter j. Say the sound of letter J. The sound of letter J is J. J. And our next letter is, which is letter K. Letter K has capital letter K and small letter k. Can you say the sound of letter K? Yes, the sound of letter K is K. And the next letter, which is capital letter L and small letter l. Repeat after me. Capital letter L, small letter l. Can you say the sound of letter L? Yes, the sound of letter L is L. And our next letter is letter M. Capital letter M, small letter m. Repeat after me. Capital letter M and small letter m. Now we are going to revise the words starting with these letters. Okay, all of you look at the board. Can you say which letter is this? Yes, it's letter G. So now we are going to revise the words starting with letter G. Can you say what is this? Yes, it's a gift, isn't it? What is this? Gift. Letter G is for a gift. Once more, G is for a gift. And our next word is, can you say which animal is this? Yes, it's a goat. What is this? A goat. G is for a goat. Once again, G is for goat. And our next word starting with letter G is a girl. Who is this? A girl. Repeat after me. Girl. G is for girl. And our next word starting with letter G is grass. Repeat after me. Grass. Once again, grass. This goat likes to eat grass. Goat likes to eat grass. So G is for a goat and goat likes to eat grass. And look at here. This girl got a gift. Girl got a gift. So these are the words starting with letter G. Let's moving to the next letter. Yes. So now we are going to revise the words starting with letter H. Can you say the sound of letter H? What's the sound of letter H? Yes, very good. Look at here. Can you say who is this? Yes, it's a hen. Who is this? Hen. Hen. H is for hen. H is for hen. Okay. And our next word starting with letter H is hill. What is this? Hill. Once again. Very good. And our next word starting with letter H is a hut. What is this? Hut. Once again. Hut. And our last word starting with letter H is a hat. What is this? Hat. Once again. Very good. So children, repeat after me. Hen, hill, hut, hat. Once again. Hen, hill, hut, hat. So these are the words starting with letter H. And the next letter and words are letter I. Can you say which letter is this? Yes, it's letter I. So these are the words starting with letter I. Which are those words? Yes, what is this? Igloo. What is this? Igloo. I is for igloo. Once again, I is for igloo. And our next word starting with letter I is India. What is this? India. Do you know which is our country? Yes, our country is India. So, the word starting with letter I is India. And our next word starting with letter I is an ing. Ing. What is this? Ing. And our last letter starting with letter I is an insect. What is this? Insects. Once again. Very good. So, these are the words starting with letter I. Repeat after me. Igloo, India, ink, insects. And the sound of letter I is I. I. Okay. So, moving to the next letter and words. Yes, our next letter is letter J. J. Can you say the sound of letter J? Yes, the sound of letter J is J. J. So, these are the words starting with letter J. Which is our first word? Yes, our first word is a joker. J is for joker. Once again. Joker. And our next word starting with letter J is a jug. What is this? A jug. Once again, a jug. And our next word is a vehicle. What's its name? Yes, it's a jeep. What is this? Jeep. Once again, very good. And the last word starting with letter J is jam. J is for jam. Once again, J is for jam. Children, do you like to eat jam? Yes, very good. So, these are the words starting with letter J. Repeat after me. Joker, jug, jeep, jam. Okay, and moving to the next letter and words. Our letter is letter K. K is for kite, which is our first word. Kite. What is this? Very good. It's a kite. K is for kite. And this one, key. Once again, key. And our next word starting with letter K is a king. Who is this? King. Once again, very good. And our last letter starting with letter K is a kid. Who is this? Kid. Kid. Repeat after me. K is for kid. So these are the words starting with a letter K. All of you say aloud. Kite, key, king, kid. Okay, and our next letter is letter L. Can you say which letter is this? A letter L. So, which is our first word starting with letter L? Yes, it's lemon. What is this? Lemon. Once again, lemon. And our next word starting with letter L is lip. What is this? Lip. So children, all of you touch in your lip. Okay, very good. So what is this? Lip. And our next word is lamp. What is this? Lamp. Lamp. Repeat after me. Lamp. And who is this? Yes, it's a lion. Who is this? Lion. Do you know lion is the king of forest? Okay, who is the king of forest? It's lion. Letter L is for lion. So, children, repeat after me. The words starting with letter L are lemon, lip, lamp, lion. Once again, lemon, lip, lamp, lion. Okay, so moving to the next word and next words and next letter. Yes, it is a letter M. Letter M is for mug. What is this? Mug. Once again, mug. And our next letter and our next word is milk. What's the color of the milk? Yes, the color of milk is white. Very good. So, M is for milk. Once again, M is for milk. And our next word starting with letter M is mango. Yes, we all know that mango is a fruit, isn't it? Yes. So, M is for mango. M is for mango. And our last word starting with letter M is a mat. What is this? Mat. Once again, very good. So, these are the words starting with letter M. Okay, children, repeat after me. Mug, milk, mango, mat. Once again, mug, milk, mango, mat. Now, we are going to trace letter G to letter M. So, all of you listen. First, we are going to trace capital letter G and small letter g. Okay, children, the capital letter G starts from the red line. First, we draw a big C. Don't take out your pencil. It slowly comes up and go inside. Then slowly comes outside. Which letter is this? Capital letter G. Now we are going to trace small letter G. Small letter G starts from the first blue line. We draw a small letter C. Then it touches the first blue line. Slowly comes down and touches the fourth red line. Then draw a small upward open curve. Can you say which letter is this? Small letter G. And our next letter is letter H. Look at here. First we draw a big standing line from red line to the second blue line. Again we draw a big standing line from red line to the second blue line. Then draw a small slipping line on the first blue line. Capital letter H. And small letter H starts from the red line to the second blue line. Then don't take out your pencil. It goes up and draw a downward open curve from first blue line to the second blue line. It's capital letter H and small letter H. Now we are going to trace capital letter I and small letter I. All of you look at here. We draw capital letter I from the first red line to the second blue line. Then draw a small sleeping lines on first red line and second blue line like this. Then small letter I, it starts from the first blue line to the second blue line like this. Then put a small point on the standing line. Then we are going to trace capital letter J and small letter J. Look at here. Capital letter J starts from the first red line to the second blue line. We draw a big standing line, then draw a small upward open curve, then draw a small sleeping line on first red line like this. Then small letter J, it starts from the first blue line to the fourth red line, then put a point. Okay, JJKLMN. Okay, now we are going to trace capital letter K, small letter K, capital letter L, small letter L, and capital letter M and small letter M. All of you look at here. Capital letter K starts from the red line to the blue line. Then draw two small slanting lines like this. Capital letter K, then small letter K. The slanting line starts from the first blue line to the second blue line. Then capital letter L, small letter L, capital letter M, and small letter M. So children, today we learn letters. Today we learn the alphabet. So children, you have to write the letters A, capital letter A, small letter A to capital letter M, small letter M in your English notebook, and you have to do the activities given by your English textbook number 2, page number 6 to 11. So children, today we learn letters and some words. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.